I am here struggling to make money, but some people are out there struggling to last on bed. Everybody with their own problem. Choose your own problem wisely, oh. Choose the camera. Stop believing everything you see on social media. Be careful who you are listening to and who you are following on social media. Nowadays, everybody have focused on social media, and it is either creating positive impact or negative impact in your life. 65 to 70% of what people are passing through today are from social media, and it is being orchestrated by the type of people they are following on social media.
I'm telling you.
It is being orchestrated by the lifestyle of people whom they are always listening to and the kind of content which they are dishing out. As a parent or guardian, I want you to pay attention to your children and know the kind of people whom they are always listening to and the people who they choose as a role model. Listen to me. I define social media as a space where people hide under their own problem just to prove a point. Most of the things you are seeing on social media are not real. Most of the I love you, couples goals, and congratulations are fake. Most times, all those people who are posting enjoyment and good life are not eating up to 3 square meals in real life. They are just posting those things in order to convince you that they are doing well, because that is exactly what the public want to see. All those achievements, car and house they used to post does not belong to them. They are only trying to look successful in order for you to believe them, because we are living in the generation where people only listen to rich and successful people who are already in the position of life which they are longing for. They will borrow clothes and rent a car just to convince you that they are living a luxurious lifestyle, therefore putting the young youth under pressure. At some point, it will now look as if you are not trying enough for yourself, which will now push you to take shortcuts. Meanwhile, if you take shortcuts, your life will be cut short. Those couples you used to see on social media, they are not enjoying, If they show you real life behind the scene, you will never want to get married. Have you not wondered why people doesn't post where they are struggling and suffering? It is always where they are enjoying. Even me that is creating this particular content, I have made a lot of mistakes, but you can never see that part.
I wonder.
Some people will appear as a hero on the internet, but whenever you meet them one-on-one, they cannot stand you. Most of the draggings and quarrels from your favorite celebrities are not real. They are just using that pattern in order to drag your attention, stay relevant, and generate traffic on their pages. They know that you people always like when two people are quarreling and having problems. You will be liking, commenting, and sharing their videos, but whenever you see a content creator who is creating quality content that will impact something on someone, you will just scroll. Don't worry. Some of you not really know all these things, and I will dedicate my time and create content. You will not like it, you will not share it, you will not comment on my video. You will not recommend me, you will not tell people about me. Don't worry. I promise you guys that I will not advise anybody again, but I will still advise you tomorrow as well.